so I just put my rotisserie chicken in my Ziploc bag, and now I'm massaging it so we can get all of that meat off of those bones. This is the best hack for deboning your chicken. Okay, it's about like 2 minutes of us massaging it. It should be good to go. I'm gonna bring in my big bowl and dump it right in there. Look at all that good meat right there. Okay, let's go ahead and take those bones out like that, the cartilage. All right, now I just measured out 2 cups of our chicken, and I'm gonna bring in about 10 bacon slices that I chopped up, pre-cooked, and we're putting that right with our 2 cups of chicken. Next, I'm gonna come in with 1 block of cream cheese that we softened. We have a packet of our ranch seasoning. Use this whole packet. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious dinner. I love rotisserie chicken, so it is my favorite meat to use for this dinner. Next, I'm coming in with some Mexican cheese, and we're gonna add about 1/2 cup of Mexican cheese in there. Okay, that looks good. I might have done a little bit of extra. And then last but certainly not least, we're gonna do a dollop of daisy. Perfect. Okay, our mixture is ready to get combined. So we have our chicken, our bacon, our cream cheese, our ranch seasoning, our Mexican cheese, and our sour cream all in our bowl, mixing it well together. That rotisserie chicken smells absolutely incredible, and that ranch seasoning is just gonna add such a great flavor to it. All right, once your mixture is well combined, we're gonna come in and bring our flour tortillas. Take out my flour tortilla just like so, and we are gonna add a little bit of our mixture right into the center. We can kind of use the tortilla to help us out, and we are going to fold those edges in just like a burrito. Fold it one more time and then roll it, and then put our tortilla into our 9x13. So let's go ahead and finish this up. All right, we have one more that we're gonna whip up together. We're just putting our mixture onto our tortilla. We're gonna fold the sides and roll, and then place that right there. So we were able to get 6 out of that mixture. All right, I'm gonna bring in my measuring cup and then a small can of red enchilada sauce. We're gonna use that whole can of enchilada sauce, put that right into our measuring cup. And we're gonna add some heavy whipping cream to our enchilada sauce, just about 1/4 of a cup. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna grab my whisk, and we're gonna mix this together so that we get like a light orange enchilada sauce. This is just gonna make this sauce extra creamy and extra delicious, and it's gonna go beautifully with our little chicken bacon ranch enchiladas. That looks perfect. Okay, it's time to drizzle this sauce right on there. Oh my goodness, this looks so incredible. Now remember, these need to be drenched. They're supposed to be like an enchilada, so do not be scarce with the sauce. You will regret it. All right, beautiful. Now you guys know this is not done yet. We still have some of that Mexican cheese to put on there, and we're just gonna sprinkle that right on top. Get a nice little layer. Beautiful. All right, this is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 375, and this is gonna be in there for about 30 minutes. We just want that cheese to melt. All right, these are looking incredible. They smell absolutely delicious. It is time to serve this up. I think I'm gonna go for this one back here, just kind of make sure that cheese isn't stuck on anything. Oh yeah, that looks so good. All right, let's cut this open and check out that middle. Look at that. Chicken bacon ranch enchiladas. wow. Wow. These are so good. Oh my gosh. You guys have to try this.